Good morning everybody, and welcome to the Dinorwic Quarry Cottages, also known as the Anglesey Barracks. So you join us at the car park just outside Llanberis. So Lisa's with me, and today we are doing the 9k Dinorwic Quarry, also known as the Anglesey Barrack walk. Yeah, so this car park currently in is currently full, so it's really quite busy in Llanberis today. Yeah, but I'll leave a picture up now how much it is to park it. Yeah, so as you can imagine, had a nice day. It's quite busy around Llanberis today. So you can see where we're going to be heading, just up there. But also on this route there is Llanberis Waterfall and also a couple of little castles to see as well. Yeah, should be good. So it looks like the start of this route is actually down by the side of a road, but it's a fair sized path, so there's nothing to worry about. Yeah, so the start of this little route is a little confusing. Yeah, it looks like you're supposed to, when you come to like the train station here, there's a shop here, and the path actually down the side of the shop. So I've noticed these blue and yellow marks around, so there must be some kind of actual guided walk around here, but I'm not sure what it is. No idea what that place is. So this is the old Quarry Hospital. And that looks like it's been turned to a little museum. I've also got the heaters on full blast. Yeah, starting to climb now. It's got quite steep quite quickly. Absolutely beautiful there. Kind of glad of it. So I do love this part of Wales, the Snowdonia range, with just amazing views of the mountains. But yeah. I know when we do these walks with great views, it's cloudy, but it's a good one today. Oh. Little baby goats. I don't know. They're really not interested in us at all. A good scratch. These are still going. So you can just see the castle now, which we'll go into in a bit. And there's Llanberis. Absolutely stunning. I wonder where that goes. Thinks that path goes here around it. Interesting. Yeah, had to be done. Yeah, so if you can, help us out, like, subscribe, really does help the channel. So it looks like we're actually above that quarry that we saw earlier. Still seeing these coloured markers everywhere. So this route we're doing seems to be doing a bit of all of them. Like we've been on the blue, yellow, green, red. So, but yeah, so we're not far away from the Dinorwic Quarry Cottages now. Just down this path, and it sounds like they're just over there as we just started to come into the quarry now. And I do apologise if I'm pronouncing Dinorwig wrong. But yeah, my Welsh is the best. Dinorwic Quarry was once the second largest slate mine in the world. The stone cottage was built in the 19th century for the quarrymen who could not make the daily commute. Little old fireplace. Well, isn't it? They'll do slate mining up here and then build their houses out of slate. Each cottage had 2 rooms, a living room and a bedroom, and the rent was 1 shilling per month. A few more cottages up there. What a view out the window. Sorry, that's my alarm watch going off. Yeah. Yeah, this looks like quite a few of these Slate quarry cottages up here. Living in the cottages was harsh. There was no electricity, no plumbing, and 2 outdoor toilets for the entire row. So Dinorwic Quarry slate houses, yeah, really quite interesting look around. Absolutely crazy how they built them. Just started just slate and actually survived quite well. Yeah, really interesting, definitely worth checking out. And there's Lucy over there. So that is Dolbadarn Castle, which we're heading to now. Yeah, so this route I found off the All Trails app. So what I'll do, I'll leave all the information in the description. So we're almost back down the road now. So this route looks like it's kind of like a figure of 8. So if you don't want to go to the waterfall in the second section, you can actually just go back into Llanberis. Yeah. Now we're back on the road. We're heading up there. So if you do just want to come to a castle, there is parking across the road, so I'll leave the postcode on the screen now. Welcome to Dolbadarn Castle. Sorry for pronouncing that wrong. Yeah, let's go have a look. Keep going up. Oh. Okay, these are getting quite tight and narrow now. That's the highest you can go. Quite busy up here.
Okay. Imagine this castle was a brand new castle we started today.
Yeah, quite an interesting little castle, and you can go up in it. A bit narrow. So now we're heading over to Llynberis Falls or Waterfall. So yeah.
Should we sit by the other light there better?
So this section going up to the waterfall, it is well on a main road, but yeah, a bit of traffic, but there is quite a big path, so yeah, it's all good. One thing I noticed there's a few people up by the Slate Quarry, and as we come down from up in the hills over there, behind us. Town is getting definitely busier right now. That's where it was this morning, up there. Yeah, lost the train up Snowdon.
That's fun to know. That
So welcome to Llanberis Falls. Yeah, I'm going to try and go a bit higher so we get a better view. Some power in that. Standing there, I don't know if you can see, I can actually feel the mist. Pretty cool. Yeah, really good. Do love a good waterfall. Definitely next bit of kit I'm going to get a drone. Shot together, them would be brilliant. Yeah, so it's heading back to the car now. Yeah, so that was a really good walk actually. So the Slate quarry was really good. The houses, obviously been interesting to look around. And also the little castle and also a waterfall. But yeah, so if you don't want to do like the whole walk as we have done, you can just do sections from Llanberis. It's all signposted, but yeah, really enjoy that one. Yeah, thanks for watching guys, and yeah, and I'll see you all next Saturday at 6 o'clock. Bye.